You asked, we listened. Hi, and welcome to our video on Slideouts. You can now add slide-out options to your equipment types to ensure guests' RVs, caravans, and other equipment are matched with the perfect sites based on their specific slide-out configurations. When guests book online, they'll be able to select their equipment type and, if enabled, choose their slide-out option. This ensures guests select the best sites for their needs. And this will pull through to the checkout page. To set this up, simply head to your equipment type page and either add or update your existing equipment types to enable slideouts. This can be done in bulk. You can then control which slideout option is available for each site. Simply edit the site and select the applicable slideout type and save. This can also be done in bulk. Finally, just ensure you have updated your Newbook Online setting to allow slideout filtering online. When adding or updating a guest and their equipment, you will now be able to include their slideout information. Once saved, any site that doesn't meet these requirements will be highlighted in yellow. You can update your instance settings and equipment configuration to make the slide-out option visible across various areas in Newbook. For easy step-by-step guides, check out our handy knowledge base for more information. And keep an eye out, we're rolling out some exciting new filters on the booking chart soon, including slide-out filters.